Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. It can be, for example, in Messages, Notes, the browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, like here. And all we have to do right now is to enter this strange icon with a K letter, a Kika icon. Here, let's enter the language. And as you can see, we've got the list, which is divided into two parts. Here we've got the other languages, so those which are currently applied to the keyboard. And here we've got available ones. So as you can see, we've got pretty a long list of the languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it, tap on this plus icon. So let me pick maybe Persian. Just tap on this plus icon. As you can see, it will disappear from this list because it will appear at the very top. It is marked, which simply means that it will be applied, hopefully. So right now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And as you can see, immediately we've got this Persian language applied. We can freely write in it. However, we've got also the English language applied. So we can always change the language just by using the spacebar and swipe on it. And here we've got the English keyboard. The same situation. After swiping, we've got the Persian one. So basically, this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't necessarily have to have two different languages or want to have two different languages. You just want to change it. You want to have one. So let's enter the Kika again and the language. And here, right now in this section, we have to untick the language we want to remove. So let me remove Persian because I have no idea how to write in it. And as you can see, immediately after unticking, we've got this trash bin icon. So of course you can tap on it, then the Persian language will immediately disappear from this list. Of course it will be in the available languages. However, if you feel that you will use it later on, you can always leave it here and just mark it whenever you need to, without the need to find it in the available languages. But let me remove it. I can show you also that right now we've got the English keyboard, and I cannot do anything with the spacebar because the swipe option does not work, because we've got only one language. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.